ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्वशाख्या बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 381, 17th mantra. Pita is giving the responsibility to putra. What is that called? Samprati, Sampradanam. In the same way, Sampradaya Shabda also is formed. It is also Dane Dhatu. We saw in Bhashya how the Pita understands that he has to give this to his son when he understands aham marishyami iti. How does he know? Arishtadi darshanena manyate. Tika arishtadi iti adipadena dussavapnadi sangraha. So these arishta darshana, there are some indicators elsewhere we saw. I think one is, they say Arundhati star. When you cannot see Arundhati star with your eyes or whatever, then at that time you understand now only 6 months are remaining. Means you can see all other stars, you can see Vasishtha, but you cannot see Arundhati of the Saptarshis. Other Arishta Darshana is in Surya. This is given in Advaita Siddhi. In Surya, you see like a black spot when you look at the sun. That is Arishta Darshana. It is time to depart. And here, Duswapna, in Tika it is given Duswapnadi Sangraha. Some Duswapna, if you see, where they said, if you see a person who is dark with dark teeth also, dark teeth, that is Yamaduta sign. When the father says, Tvam Brahma, Tvam Yajñas, Tvam Loka, to Putra. Putram Ahuya, see in Bhashya, Atha Tada Putram Ahuya, Aha, Tvam Brahma, Tvam Yajñas, Tvam Loka iti. Saha eva muktaha putraha pratyaha. Then that putra eva muktaha putraha. He will respond back saying, Aham Brahma, Aham Yajñaha, Aham Lokaha iti. So Satu Purvam eva anushishto janati maya etat kartavyam iti. See in Tika. Putrasya aham Brahma ityadi prativachane hetumaha. Putra already is given indications from earlier that you have to do this later. So like father, when they are having, just sitting down sometime, father will say, my father gave me all this. He will not say, I will give you. But he say, my father has given all this to me. So now that son says, okay, Vyapti is there. So because his father gave it to him, all responsibility he is doing. I will get these responsibilities, I will also have to do. And when father does the thread ceremony, Yajnopavita Samskara, then whenever he is doing karma, he'll say, come here, sit here, see this, bring that. So through some nimitta, they will make sure he is around when that puja is happening. And therefore, that child starts getting samskaras. He sees, he will start hearing those mantras, etc. Later, he will have to do everything. When he is paripakva, anyway, he will know. Satu purvameva anushishtaha janati. Earlier itself, he is instructed, he knows maya etat kartavyam iti. टीका मया कार्यम यद अध्ययनादि तदेव अवशिष्टम फर्स्ट इन भाष्य फर्स्ट मया एतत् कर्तव्यम इति तेन आह अहम ब्रह्म अहम यज्ञो अहम लोक इति एतद् वाक्यत्रयम्. These three vakyas he will repeat. In टीका मया कार्यम यद अध्ययनादि तदेव अवशिष्टम त्वया कार्यम इति. मया कार्यम यद अध्ययन, कार्यम मीन्स कृतम अथवा मया यत् कृतम अध्ययनादि यज्ञादि इत्यादि तदेव अवशिष्टम वट एवर इज रिमेनिंग त्वया कार्यम त्वया कर्तव्यम. फादर इंस्ट्रक्ट्स द सन इति पुत्रस्य प्राग अनुशिष्टता भावे प्रतिवचन अनुपपत्ति. प्राग अनुशिष्टता अभावे, if he was not already taught or indicated in the beginning, then he would not have this prativachanam. Means he will not say aham brahma aham yaj. Means he is already trained, he is already instructed. 4 number tippani says purvam evam shikshitatvam. Earlier itself he is shikshita. Like a prince also, in the beginning itself he starts seeing father is doing this, I will have to do, father is doing this, I have to do, like that. टीका यद्वै किंच इत्यादि वाक्यानां पुत्रानुमंत्रण वाक्यैर अर्थ भेदाभावात् पुनरुक्तिर इत्याशंक्य आह. यद्वै किंच फर्दर इत्यादि वाक्यानां पुत्र अनुमंत्रण वाक्यैः अर्थ भेद अभावात्. पुत्र doing anumantrana means reciting this. Anumantrana vakyehi artha bheda abhavat. There is no artha bheda. In other words, now the continuity is shown from the father to the son. एतस्य अर्थः तिरोहित इति मन्वाना श्रुतिर व्याख्यानाय प्रवर्तते. So this vakya, whatever, when the putra said aham brahma aham yajna aham loka, this vakya artha is tirohita. It is still not revealed completely. In this way, when Shruti thinks, manvana Shruti hi, Shruti itself does vyakhyanam. Vyakhyanaya Shruti hi pravartate. यद्वै किंच यत् किंच अवशिष्टम अनुक्तम अधीतम अनधीतं च. अनुक्तम means Veda Parayanam. It's called Anuktam. Anu plus Uktam, Anuktam. Yesterday, if I said Anuktam as Na Uktam, so you have to take it as Adhitam, Anadhitam in this way, both ways, like how it is given in Bhashya. Whatever the father has studied, that son has to study. Whatever father could not study, that also he has to study in this way. Adhitam, Anadhitam cha. Because the main message is yat kincha avashishtam anuktam. Avashishtam means what is remaining part of the Veda, what father did not complete. Means whatever is he completed, that also his son has to study. Adhitam anadhitam cha tasya sarvasyaiva brahma iti etasmin pade pada ekata ekatvam. All of that is covered in Brahma. Tasya sarvasya eva Brahma iti etasmin pade ekata. In that pada there is ekata. Ekatvam. Tika. Yadvai kincha ityadi vakye vakyartham aha. Now this yadvai kincha is given. What is the meaning of that? That is given. One thing you should note, you see how much Tippani and this Vartika, all this, so much Vartik, earlier page also, next, see previous 3 pages, all Vartika is going on so much. Means this subject is of interest for acharyas and discussion, etc. For most people now, there is not as much interest. But one thing you should note, here Sureshwaracharya ji has taken all of this in the context of sannyasa. Because you see on page 382, where we are right now, see first line in that, the Vartika portion. Bhavaha, after that, Vakya Sheshacha atra sannyasa vidhihi. And that all that portion you see sannyasa shabda, how many times it is given? Sarva karma nivrittihi vidhiyate, taccha vratam sannyasini eva ghatate, etc. Then, tvam brahma ityadi vakyam api krita samprattikasya sannyasa sadhakam ityaha. Then next line also, yavat jivati tavat karmani sarvani sannyasya tishtati. Means, Pita can take sannyasa also. All this is in that sannyasa context Sureshwaracharya ji has given. And sarva karma tyaga, krama sannyasa ityadi ityadi. Yo adhyayana vyaparo mama kartavya asit etavantam kalam ved vishayah sa ita urdhvam tvam brahma tvat kartriko astu ityarthah. Pita is telling Putra, यो अध्ययन व्यापार मम कर्तव्य आसीत. Whatever अध्ययन व्यापार, स्वशाखा अध्ययनम of Veda, etc., which was my kartavya, etavantam kalam Veda vishaya, of which Veda was the vishaya. Veda vishaya yasya अध्ययन व्यापारस्य स अध्ययन व्यापारो Veda vishaya. Etavantam kalam, up to this I did that. Sa ita urdhvam, that Veda vyapara, adhyayana vyapara, from now on is your responsibility. Tvat kartrakaha astu. Tvam Brahma. Means you are Veda Rupa now. You are Yajna Rupa. And you are Loka Rupa in this way. Tika. Tvam Brahma iti vakyavatvam yajna iti vakyamapi shakyam vyakhyatum ityaha. In the same way, how Tvam Brahma Vakya is given, the other two also, Tvam Yajna also. Tatha cha. Tatha ye vai kecha yajna anushtheyaha santo maya anushthitaascha ananushthitaascha tesham sarvesham yajna iti etasmin pada ekata ekatvam matkartrika yajna ya asan ta ita urdhvam त्वं यज्ञस्त्वत्कर्तृका भवन्तु इत्यर्थः। ये वै केच यज्ञा अनुष्ठेयाः सन्तः, then whatever yajnas which have to be performed, whose anushtanam, so Pita was taking regular anushtanam, maya anushtheyah santah, and anushthitaascha ananushthitascha, whatever I have performed and not performed, you have to do everything now. Tesham sarvesham yajna, yajna means yajne, iti etasmin pade ekata, ekatvam. All of that is in that. मत कर्तृका यज्ञा य आसन ते इत ऊर्ध्वं त्वं, ये यज्ञाः मत कर्तृकाः आसन ते इत ऊर्ध्वं त्वं यज्ञस्त्वत्कर्तृका भवन्तु इत्यर्थः. In one place I had gone many years back, and some youngsters were there, youth. So here it is in the context of father and son. But in the context of society as a whole, I was giving example. Let's say if there is fire outside your house in front, who will go and put it off? You will only have to do. If somewhere else the fire is there, you probably may not worry. When any individual thinks that the rasa of Veda, Vaidika Dharma, is happening, and it is my responsibility to offer myself to this path, to this cause, that person will work. Whether somebody tells him or not, like that fire outside your house, nobody needs to tell you, go and put this out, you will do it. When a person thinks, this is my responsibility, I am ready to give up my life for this cause, you will give up. That person will do it. Another example I'll give. India was under British rule. Whichever person thought, I have to give up my body, but I have to get India free, no person gave him responsibility. No, you have to do now, you are this. That person who felt that this is what I have to do. Anybody else wants to do, they don't do, I don't care. I will do it. I will sacrifice myself. Such people become great. When you are told and you do it, it is good. At least you are doing it. When you yourself observe things and you understand, this is the need of the hour, I have to do it. This is what is required, not only in Veda, anywhere, in anything. I should do it. Why? Because this is needed. And this is how all, if you see social cause, any projects that people take, this is how they are taken. There is a need of hospital, we will build hospital. There is a need of school. Most people that all of us, we have gone to the school or temple, we have never built. Somebody has contributed, we went there, we took advantage. So like this, anywhere, everywhere, anyone who understands, yes, there is something required, I have some responsibility, I am capable of doing, to whatever extent I will do it, they will do it. Here it is in Vedic tradition, actually father is giving, But let's say if something happens, father is not even in position to go through all these steps. That son, if he is mature enough, he will do everything. He need not be told you have to do. Like that fire example I gave, in your house also, if some things are here, there, you will pick up and do it. Nobody needs to tell you. If somebody has to tell me and then I do in my house, there is something wrong. Many times people say, that youth, we don't know where they are and what they do. If they don't take up these things, then this is what will happen. इतः ऊर्ध्वं त्वं यज्ञस् त्वत्कर्तृका भवन्ति यज्ञाः इत्यर्थः। टीका त्वं लोक इत्यस्य व्याख्यानम् नवलोकः ये वैके च इत्यादि। ये वैके च लोका मया जेतव्याः सन्तः जिता अजिताश्च तेषां सर्वेषां लोक इत्येतस्मिन् पद एकता। ये वै केच लोकाः वट एवर वर्ल्ड्स मया जेतव्याः सन्तः जिता अजिताश्च conquered and unconquered means attained स्वर्गलोक और ब्रह्मलोक is अजित। तेषां सर्वेषां लोके इति एतस्मिन् पदे एकदा। So there ekata is in this loka pada. Loke or lokaha. Loka because tvam loka. In this way you should take that. टीका तत्र पदार्थान उक्त्वा वाक्यार्थम आह। सो त्वं यज्ञ त्वं ब्रह्म त्वं यज्ञ त्वं लोक। सो ऑल द पदार्थस आर गिवन। नाउ वाक्यार्थ इतः ऊर्ध्वं त्वं लोकस् त्वया जेतव्याः ते। इतः ऊर्ध्वं मया अध्ययन यज्ञ लोक जय कर्तव्य क्रतुस्त्वयि समर्पितोऽहम् समर्पितः अहं तु मुक्तोऽस्मि कर्तव्यता बंधन विषयात् क्रतोः। इतः ऊर्ध्वं हियर आफ्टर त्वं लोकः यू आर लोक त्वया लोकाः जेतव्याः ते लोकाः त्वया जेतव्याः। You have to win over them now. Means you have to do upasana, etc. टीका किमिति त्वत्कर्तृकम् अध्ययनादि मयि समर्प्यते त्वयैव किं न अनुष्ठीयते। This is the special putra. He says, why I have to do all this? Kimiti त्वत्कर्तृकम् अध्ययनादि मयि समर्प्यते। Why are you giving all this responsibility to me? त्वयैव किं न अनुष्ठीयते। आप ही क्यों नहीं करते ये सब? Why are you not doing all this? And if the father wants to take sannyasa, he says, no, don't take sannyasa. You take responsibility of our, either my children or business or something or the other. They will create work so that father stays at home. Anyway, he was half-hearted in decision to go to Rishikesh, so he will not go to Rishikesh at all. ठीक है, चलो. Or the son, they will buy return ticket for 4 दिन जाके go for 4 days visit, come back and stay here and do whatever I have done. Ita urdhvam. So Pita says hereafter maya adhyana yajna loka jaya kartavya kratuhu tvai samarpitah. Whatever adhyana loka jaya kratuhu tvai samarpitah. Whatever adhyana loka jaya and yajnadi sankalpa kratuhu is sankalpa for yajnadi. is all handed over to you. Why given to me? Aham tu mukto asmi. I am free from this responsibility now. कर्तव्यता बंधन विषयात क्रतोः क्रतोः कर्तव्यता बंधन विषयात अहम tu mukto asmi. I am free. Means now this was adhyaropa for me. Now you stay here, I am mukta in this way. There was a story, not direct connection with this, but I just remembered. There was some person who wanted to get some wealth, etc. And he was going up somewhere in the mountain, and they said, here there is wealth, here there is wealth. He goes up and he sees there is one person standing on his head, some wheel is spinning. And this new person who comes and says, I heard there is some gold here, I want. I say, here, have it. And that wheel started going and sat on the other person's head. And this person said, I am relieved now, I am going. He said, but now how long this wheel will stay on me? He said, when the next person comes here, this will come on you now. This will go out of you and will go on that person's head. Anyway, this is a story, but I remembered. Kartavya, those who take Vedas seriously, for them there is Kartavya. Those who don't take Vedas seriously, neither there is Kartavya nor there is Chitta Shuddhi. Kartavyata eva bandhanam tad vishayah kratuhu sankalpaha tasmad iti yavat. So the Samasa Vigraha is given. Kartavyata bandhana vishayat kratoho. What is that? Kartavyata eva bandhanam. Karma dharaya. Tad vishayah means tasya vishayah. Tasya vishayah kratuhu sankalpaha. Tasmat sankalpat. Vishayat. Vishayat panchami. Kratoho panchami. सच सर्वं टीका सपुत्र इत्यादि तात्पर्यमाह. Then next part is सपुत्रः सच सर्वं तथैव प्रतिपन्नवान् पुत्रो अनुशिष्टत्वात्. Putra is anushishta, he understands everything. He takes the responsibility that now it is my responsibility to do everything. So like earlier, Pita will wake up at 4 o'clock and he will do everything, and this Putra at 6 o'clock wiping his eyes when sit there at the back. Now he understands, I have to get up at 4. Means lot of these things you observe and you understand. You know, like, and that day when the yajna is there, preparation has to happen couple of days before. That somebody has to take that responsibility. It will not happen suddenly on that day. तत्र इति यथोक्त अनुशासनोक्ति ही. तत्र इति यथोक्त अनुशासनोक्ति ही. तत्र शब्द is given there. Tatra means yathokta, this anushasanam, putra anushasanam is done. तत्र इमं पितुः अभिप्रायं मन्वाना आचष्टे श्रुतिः एतावत् एतत् परिमाणं वा इदं सर्वं यद् गृहिणा कर्तव्यं यद् उत वेदा अध्येतव्या यज्ञा यष्टव्या लोकाश्च जेतव्या एतन्मा सर्वं सन् अयं सर्वं हि इमं भारं मदधीनम्. Pita thinks this is bhara. Bhara means it is responsibility. Imam pituhu, see the meaning first. Imam pituhu abhiprayam manvana shrutihi achaste. Shruti talks about this. This is the abhipraya of Pita. Etavat, etat parimanam va idam sarvam. Etavat means so long, this much. Idam sarvam. Idam sarvam yad grihina kartavyam. a grihastha should fulfill responsibility up to this point. Yad grihina kartavyam. Actually, see, these are the points where certain other things also we think of. We say Traivarnikas have adhikara in Vedadhyanam. Traivarnikas therefore have to take Yajñopavitam. So Traivarnikas have to do this kartavya also. Normally what happens? The Vaishya will say, I will teach my son how to do business. If the Traivarnikas have to study Veda, if they have to do Yajna Yagadi, they have to do this also. They have to teach their children also everything. Yad grihina kartavyam. What is the kartavya of grihi, grahastha? Yaduta Veda adhyatavya. This Veda dhyanam he has to do. Yaduta means etavat, up to this. Yajna yashtavya, all the yajnas that he has to perform. Lokasya jetavya. Etan ma sarvam san, ma means mam, sarvam san, ayam sarvam hi imam bharam madadinam. All this is bharam madadinam. Matto apachidya atmani nidhaya. Ito asmalokat ma mam abhunajat पालयिष्यति इति लृट् अर्थे लंग छंदसी काल नियमाभावात्. Pita says this sarvam hi imam bharam, all this bhara, madadinam, whatever is residing on me, this responsibility there, mattaha apachidya, from me you break it, you take it away, and atmani nidhaya, take it on yourself. Itaha asma lokat, ma means mam, abhunajat means palayishyati. You shall do palanam of me. How? By taking away all these responsibilities from me. Abhunajat is lang lakara and palayishyati is lit. It is in bhavishya because henceforth you are going to do it. Bhashyakar says, lit arthe lang. Lang is used actually in lit artha. Why? Chandasi kala niyama abhava. In Veda, kala niyama and kartari, and this vikarana pratyaya, 8 number tippani. Vikarana niyama abhavo api upalakshaniya. Because vikarana pratyaya will be different. Tika. Anadyatane bhute arthe vihitasya lango bhavishyat arthatvam katham. Anadyatana bhutakala prayoga is there in the Veda. And you are saying vihita artha is bhavishyat. It is given in lang lakara, but you are saying it is bhavishyat arthatvam katham. Is a chandasi kala niyamat. Kala niyama abhavat. Putranushasana phalavatvam. Putranushasana is phalavat. Before that one line in Tika, if we missed, etanma sarvam ityadi pratikam adaya vyachaste. Etanma is given, etanma sarvam. Ma means mam. From mantra that pratik is taken and Bhashyakar does the Vyakhya. Putranushasana phalavatvam. So putra is instructed. What is the phalam of all this? Yasmad evam sampannaha putraha pitaram asmal lokat kartavyata bandhanataha mochaishyati. तस्मात् पुत्रम अनुशिष्टम लोक्यम लोकहितम पितुः आहुर्ब्राह्मणाः. Since putra who is evam sampanna, the one who is well equipped now with all this Vedic teaching, etc., sampanna putra, pitaram asmat lokat kartavyata bandhanatah mochayishyati. He will release his father, etc., from kartavyata bandhana, mochayishyati. Tasmat putram anushishtam लोक्यम लोकहितम पितुर आहु ब्राह्मणा. पुत्रम अनुशिष्टम, पुत्र who is anushishta, taught in this way, that putra is called lokya. Anushishtam putram lokyam ahu. Lokyam lokahitam. In this way brahmanas, they address that putra. अतः एव हि एनं पुत्रम अनुशासति लोक्योयम नः स्याद् इति पितरः. अतः एव हि एनं पुत्रम अनुशासति. Therefore एनं पुत्रम, this पुत्र, अनुशासति, पिता. लोक्यो अयम नः स्यात्, may he become लोक्यः for us, means lokahitah, means may he be giving us the higher worlds, etc. कृत संप्रत्तिकः सन पिता. कृत संप्रत्तिकः, how will be samasa vigraha? Samprati. हाँ, somebody was saying what?
Krita sampratihi.
What krita sampratihi?
Yena saha krita sampratika.
कृता संप्रत्तिहि येन सह कृत संप्रत्तिकः पिता. The one who has done sampratti karma, one who has completed this. King karoti iti apekshayam aha. Then thereafter what does he do? Sapita yada yasmin kala evam with putra samarpita kartavyata kratur asma lokat praiti mriyate atha तदा एभिरेव प्रकृतैर्वाङ्मन प्राणैः पुत्रम आविशति. पुत्रम व्यापनोति. व्यापनोति, I don't know what does it say. व्यापनोति, make it व्यापनोति. So that Pita, once he has done all the handing over the charge to Putra, evam with Putra samarpita kartavyata kratuhu asmat lokat praiti mriyate. When he dies from this world, then atha tada ebihi eva prakritair vangmana prane. With this vangmana prana, he enters into Putra. Enters into Putra means now whatever the Putra was supposed, Putra is doing, in that this vangmana prana are upalabdha. Putram vyapnoti. टीका. कोयम प्रवेशो नहीं विशिष्टस्य केवलस्य वा बिले सर्पवत् प्रवेश संभवत्यत आह. What kind of pravesha is this? You say Pita enters into father along with his vangmana prana. So this pravesha is of what kind? Vishishta or kevalasya va? Bile sarpavat pravesha na sambhavati. So it is not like something is there in that he is entering. Then अध्यात्म परिच्छेद हेतु अपगमात् पितुर वांग मन प्राणः स्वेन आदिदैविकेन रूपेण पृथिव्यज्ञाध्यात्मना भिन्न घट प्रदीप प्रकाशवत् सर्वम आविशन्ति. That adhyatma paricheda deha is gone. Dehatva apagamat. So now in adhidaivika rupena, his vangmana prana of the Pita, Prithivya Agni Adhyatmana Sarvam Avishanti. They enter into everything. How? Like a ghata is there in which there is a Pradipa. When ghata is broken, then ghata prakasha spreads everywhere. Tika. Hetur mithya jnanadi. That so mithya jnana means false knowledge is gone. Not that he has attained realization, but that upasana is there for the Pita. Up to this. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.